Define each variable, then write an equation that matches the quantities in the situation.
Today, watch the scene carefully. The numbers and symbols are part of the world, so the structure can be seen before it is named. Modeling with mathematics means observing the actions happening in front of you and recording that exact same structural relationship using labels and mathematical notation. Let's look at a museum that charges $8 per ticket, plus a $12 booking fee. To model the total cost, we first choose a variable. We use t for the number of tickets. We write 8t for the ticket cost, and then add 12 for the booking fee. Bringing those components together gives us a single cohesive model for the total cost, which we'll call C. The situation can be modeled by C equals 8t plus 12. Moving into the table sluice, we encounter a new scenario, a car traveling at a constant speed of 40 miles per hour. We need to define our variables. We choose h for hours and m for miles. We record the matching values in a table. After 1 hour, 40 miles. 2 hours, 80 miles. And 3 hours, 120 miles. The pattern shows us the governing relationship. To find the total miles, we multiply the hours by 40. A table and the equation m equals 40h both model the situation. Here in the perimeter frame, we have the dimensions of a garden. It is x feet long and 6 feet wide. Perimeter adds the 2 lengths and the 2 widths. Pause the video here and try to write the perimeter waddle yourself. To build the formula, we double the unknown length x and double the known width of 6 to get 12. The perimeter model is p equals 2x plus 12. Let's return to our original ticket model, c equals 8t plus 12. For 5 tickets, this predicts a total of $52, but the museum actually charged $60. The model fails on weekends because the booking fee is higher. We compare our prediction of 52 with the real charge of 60. The difference of $8 comes from that higher weekend booking fee. 12 plus 8 equals 20. We refine the model to c equals 8t plus 20 to account for the new constraint and recheck our work. 8 times 5 plus 20 equals 60. The refined weekend model is c equals 8t plus 20. The structure of the world is visible right in the scene. Labels identify what each quantity means, the animal action shows how those quantities change, and the final expression records that same idea in math notation. Which label in the environment tells you the most important mathematical relationship, and how does the animal action prove it?
A weekend booking fee of $20 changes the model. The revised equation is c equals 8t plus 20.